The dual cable shrug trains the upper divisions of the traps. To set up, set the cables to the lowest position and attach a D handle to either side. Stand between the cables and lever your torso slightly forward. Lastly, tuck your chin. For the action, on the concentric with straight arms, shrug your shoulders up and back toward your ears. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. On the eccentric, lower the weight with control, allowing the cable to pull your shoulders down and apart away from your ears, feeling a nice stretch in your traps. For proper alignment, tuck your chin to avoid hyperextending your neck. Maintain a slight lean forward and straight elbows.